Contact confirmed, visual on target.
Orientation logged, nose down.
No secondary targets detected.
Roof intact, glass compromised.
Axles buried, heavy silt.
Diver team ready.
Vehicle clear, no occupants.
Set 30-meter exclusion.
Zone established. Locations, press free for it.
Position steady. Markers placed.
Clearing loose debris.
Silt removal underway.
Suction braking.
Vehicle free.
Stabilization complete.
Confirmed. Trim bag set. Taking light tension.
Load within limits.
No movement observed.
Clear to lift.
Braking free.
Seabed clear.
Hold position. Rig and holding.
Entering mid-water.
Sway within limits.
Adding slight buoyancy.
Trim corrected.
Continue ascent.
No debris shedding.
Approaching surface. Surface breach. Hold for drain. Draining and steady now. Roger that, all clear.
Securing vehicle. Align the low bed. Tie downs tensioned. Slow pace, clear left.
Containment verified.
My 10-minute valve protection wasn't bright. I had scored you. You did seem great.
Start rinse cycle.
Cycle engaged.
Flush the chassis rails.
Fastening verified. Applying inhibitor.
Documenting condition. Documenting condition. Okay. NDT setup ready. Scanning frame.
No major fractures.
All right.
Side project. Capturing full set.
Coverage complete.
Preparing for tow.
Tow secured, ready for departure.
Underway. This is what you say for a flash for yourself.
Securing holding.
Securing this porch, Josh, when it's almost.
Port in sight.
Set, snips, and two says anything for the filtering turn, set.
Ready to offload.
Clear a vessel.
Begin Desal SOAC. Capture tank reading.
Drying underway.
Log corrosion on rocker. PPE on, interior check.
Check frame alignment.
Record photos to annex.
Apply protective coat.
Good. Hazards capped. Hazards.
Tag project ID.
Verify all records. NDT logs complete. Lift records signed off. Rigging match confirmed.
Waste chain verified. Project signed off.
Move to storage. Lesson earned, lessons captured. Data matches recovery.
Gear inspection due.
Recovery complete. Seal intact.
Close safety log.
All stages complete.
Complete and filed.
SALV 3801 closed.
Copy that. Confirmed.
Final visual check.
ID recorded.
Custody confirmed.
Mr. Election 6 minute following.
Hold position.
Notate the rust migration on the rear quarter panel. Evidence of saltwater submersion.
Detail set complete.
Compile final file.
Upload verified.
Reviewed and accepted.
Handover complete.
Storage sealed.
Demob checklist done.
Gear stored. Gear stored.
Readings within limits.
Area released. Final safety sign off.